Okay, whoops, let's get this aimed right. Okay, let's see. So let's first look at the point. Can you point to where the point 1 is on the circle?
1 is going out like we expected.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
going out.
That's the point that I saw.
That's interesting. Do we have a ruler nearby? Maybe we can see if it's going to about 1/2. Anything we can measure with?
This is a straight edge.
Okay, perfect. That's fine. Does it look like it's expanding out about 50% from where it starts compared to the original circle?
Yeah.
Kind of.
There.
Looks like the circle goes about halfway across the black square there, and this then goes about halfway to the edge.
Yep.
Oops, sorry. Now what about minus I, or -1 I mean, what's happening there?
Well, it seems to be heading
Maybe that.
inward a bit.
Huh.
Well,
Not
it's
a little.
part of it's going in and part of it's coming out.
-1, not I. -1.
Oh yeah, that's curving in.
Cool.
And then
And I remember that one just came in a little bit. It went from -1 to -0.75 about.
Yeah, it's
Seems
just,
like
it's just
it.
going in a bit.
And do you see the symmetry between where I goes and where minus I
Yeah,
goes?
they're sort of drifting up, and minus I is drifting down.
Huh. And is it drifting sort of across and up like we expected it to?
Yeah. Sort of
Across
and
and up. What's happening with the rest of it? I guess that's just other points.
Other points in between it.
Yeah, the other points in between become very complicated to try to understand because they're wrapping around the circles different amounts of times every time.
Yeah.
See, I was special and 1 was special, -1 was special. But those other points are sometimes wrapping around like and ending up in all different parts of the circle, and you have to add them all together and it produces a really incredible picture.
Yeah. I think I see lots of right angles
You see lots of right angles?
when the final image on the sides.
Yeah, it does look like there are some right angles. This is a neat shape.
Yeah.
And he just made a new one. I saw it. You may have heard the ding. So let's see if we can see this new shape. Uh-oh. Did our computer crash? Oops. Let's see. Have it crashed? Oh. Oh, this is him showing what the circle looks like from the tiniest little circle initially all the way out to the unit circle.
Then it just crumples.
It starts out kind of looking very circular, doesn't it?
But
And then all of a
then-
sudden, whoosh!
It just. Then it's getting.
So let me explain what this is. He starts with, instead of starting with the unit circle, he's starting with some really tiny circles and seeing what they do under that map.
They seem to just expand and then slowly get out of shape.
Yeah. What do you notice about this shape? What are some questions you might want to ask about this shape?
Well, it looks kind of like our old shape.
Yeah, it is the old shape at the end. The very last shape is our old shape.
Yeah.
Though how far does it start to get out of shape until it finally crashes?
What's
Yeah.
the smallest circle? The smallest circle is a perfect circle.
Yeah, that smallest circle would just be the point at 0.
Yeah.
And our map, when I take 0 and I take 0 plus 0 to the 4th over 4 plus 0 to the 9th over 9, what do I get?
No.
0.
0.
0, yeah. And so it looks like the circles near 0 stay kind of circular. But what
Yeah.
happens is they get bigger.
They slowly get out of
And
slowly
then-
get out of shape and start to curve in,
And then.
and then it
That.
crashes.
Crashes, yeah, wow. I think one neat question would be kind of what's the initial radius of the circle where you get those kinks?
Kinks.
See those kinks? They kink
Yeah.
and then the whole thing just goes kablamo.
The kinks form some of the. The kinks actually get out of shape too.
Yeah, that's cool. It's a neat project. Thanks to Dan Anderson for those awesome shapes.